Accessible web.
So next we're going to move on to focus management, which is where our first issues are going to show up. So as we've already been through, the key issues that we're seeing is that these accordion components aren't receiving focus. They're not receiving a visible indicator of being in a focus state. So, for example, I'm navigating using my keyboard right now. When the focus is on this coupon books component, it changes from being a white background to a black background. So that's a good focus indicator. We know which component the user is currently interacting with. But when you see this accordion component, there is no way to tell its regular state versus its focus state. So that's what we're going to fail for a visible focus indicator. Just to keep track, I'm going to take a note of this right now. Um, So usually I use Markdown just to sort this. So we have our failure detail, all interactive elements must have a visible focus state. Um, and then we provide some remediation recommendations. I'm not going to do this for every task today, but when I'm doing a regular audit, this is how I keep track of the failures and notes. So I'm just going to say in a focus state, the accordion components do not receive a visible indicator of focus. Um, so that's just keeping track of what's going on. Again, in a regular audit, I would be doing this for every single failure I find, but because we're kind of doing a quick audit today, I don't want to take up all your time doing that. So as you can see, we have the one here, which indicates there's one failure related to this criteria. Our next one is also going to be applicable to this. It's focus not obscured. So when a UI component receives keyboard focus, the UI component must not be entirely hidden from the user. So it's hard to see. Let me activate our helper again. Our helper shows the order that things are getting focus. So when the gift card component is closed, the show and hide capability receives focus, and then the links within it also receives focus. And this continues for the rest of the items within the carousel. So the items in the carousel should, I mean, not carousel, and the accordion should only receive focus when the accordion is expanded. It's not predictable to users that, hey, this gift card section is closed, but the link within the gift cards link within it is going to receive focus. That's not predictable to the user. The gift card component within it should only receive focus when the gift card component is exposed. So that is going to be a focus not obscured failure. We did want these elements receiving focus when they're visible to the users and not when they're closed. Okay.